As you can see, I've started to smooth off the rim. So I think I should have the camera at a good height. So I get my slip, and I paint as much as I can. I just paint it into so some of it can go into the rim to fill in all the the little gaps. So I go a little while, and there's where the clay dimples when I try and put a flat slab of clay into a half sphere mold. So that needs to be filled in with thick slip. And this is important. This is what I do then. I go across, up and down. Never across ever, because I find that the crack would show if I did it across. Doing it this way would expose the crack between the two halves, I find anyway. So I just get that, push that thing back. Oh, I did get the little channel out of the hole. Show you now. Bend, oh, this way, and I used the pliers to get this out, which I do it very occasionally. Usually I manage to get it out just with pressing my two thumbs together and just pulling and going around with my nail, going around the edge of the canister with my nail and pulling again with my thumbs, but it got so stuck fast I had to get a pliers at it. And it happens because I haven't done this for a year, so I'm a little out of practice. So for the moment, I'm going to spend just going across. Oh, that another little dimple needs filling in. So just a tiny dimple needs a tiny bit of slip. Okay, that's done. Let's get this. This job is fun, satisfying, but very, very messy. I don't quite usually do it quite that way, but I want to make sure some of the action gets into the video. Just continue on for another couple of minutes and then I'll stop the video before it becomes ridiculously long. Eventually I get some clay, it's a little still a little bit of out of alignment, two halves. It's almost, I find it's almost impossible to get two half spheres exactly in line when you're putting two halves of a round mold together. So eventually I get a sausage clay. I'll do that later and fill in this discrepancy. So I'll just get on. I'll just stop the video soon. I think I have basically the idea. That's nearly, and that all that needs filling in. I'll just wipe down my hands and stop the video.